How to log out Outlook in PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log out Outlook in PC. For this, you want to open the Outlook app on your laptop or PC. Now, what you want to do here is click on the file option at the top left corner of your screen. Now you have the option of account settings. Click on this drop down. From here again, you want to select the account settings option. From here, you can add and remove accounts. Now, once you get here, click on the data files option. Now, click on this add option right here. Now, you want to save a copy of this data file, so you simply want to click on the OK option. Once you do that, a copy has been saved. Now the next thing you want to do is click on this email option. You're going to find your Outlook account here. So if you want to log out of your Outlook account, simply select that account by clicking on it, then click on the remove option. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and confirm in the dialog box that opens by clicking on the yes option. And in this way, you can easily log out of Outlook in PC. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.